आर्टिकल एट वाला
प्रैक्टिकल डा मो ये सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करले करियो।
ओके सर
Writing an executable statement. The objective is that after completing this lesson, you should be able to the following: identify the lexical unit in a PLSQL block, use built-in SQL function in PLSQL, describe when implicit conversion take place and when explicit conversion have to be dealt with. We write nested block and qualify variable with labels. Write readable code with appropriate identification. Use sequence in PLSQL expression. Right. Writing executable statement in PLSQL block. Lexical unit in a PLSQL block is that our building block of any PLSQL block. A sequence of character including letters, numericals, tabs, space, returns, and symbols can be classified as identifiers, delimiters, literal, and comments. Right? Identifiers a variable name tomorrow v underscore first name, c underscore percent. Right? Delimiter re semicolon, comma, plus, minus, into, divide. Literal re more na. Number, boolean factor, comment रे single line comment and multi line comment tomorrow. The lexical unit include letters, numerals, special characters, tab, space, returns, and symbols. Identify are the name given to PLSQL object. You learn to identify valid and invalid identifier. Recall that keyword cannot be used in identifier. For example, quoted identifier, MAC identifiers case sensitive, include characters such as space, use reserved word. जेमिति मोर एठी देला for example begin date, right? Begin date होची मोर तार मोर variable ना and date रा होची तार data type. तो एठी जो डबल कोटेशन भितर तुम जो दबो सेटा गोटे वर्ड हिसाब से ट्रीट करिवे हला तुम से मझरे स्पेस भी देई पारे किछ असुविधा नै बुझला
यस सर
all subsequent use of the variable should have the double quotation mark. However, use of quoted identifier is not recommended. Single quotation तमोरा allow करिवे double quotation delimiter are a symbol that has special meaning. You already learned that the semicolon is used to terminate SQL or PLSQL statement. Therefore, semicolon is an example of delimiter. For more information, refer to the PLSQL user guide and reference. Lexical unit in a PLSQL block, delimiter are simple or compound symbol that have special meaning in PLSQL. That is plus, minus, into, divide, equal, at the rate, semicolon. These are the delimiters used in a PLSQL. Compound symbol, not equal to, or, comment, right? Multi-line comment, assignment operator, right? It is assignment operator, more colon, equal, more. Note that this is only a subset and not a complete list delimiter. Literal, any value that is assigned to a variable is a literal. Any character, numerical, boolean or date value that is not identified is a literal. Literal are classified as character literal or numeric literal. Character literal, all string literal have the data type char or varchar and are therefore called character literal. For example, John and L2C, these are the character literal. Numeric literal, जो मोर numeric value मोर use होगा, सेठी मोर numeric literal. Numeric literal represent the integer or real value, right? For example, 428 or 1.276, these are the numeric literal. Boolean literal, it will be written as a true, false, and null. Value that is assigned to a Boolean value variable are Boolean literal. True, false, and null are Boolean literal or keyboard. Comment, it is a good programming practice to explain that a piece of code is trying to achieve. However, when you include the explanation in a PLSQL block, the compiler cannot interrupt this instruction. Therefore, there should be a way in which you can indicate that this instruction need not be compiled. Comment are mainly used for this purpose. Any instruction that commented is not interrupted by the compiler. To have used a single line comment and slash star and end with a star slash, that will be the multi-line comment. PLSQL block syntax and guidelines using literal character and date literal must be enclosed in a single quotation mark. Number can be simple values or in scientific notation, right? Suppose what a variable declare kala v underscore name सेथरे मोर value से pass कला. Formatting code statement can be several lines. प्रथमे से variable declare kala, data type declare kala. Then select first name into variable name where employee ID equal to 100. जार employee ID तमरो 100 थिबो तार first name को retrieve करिबो and store करिबो तमरो v underscore first name variable भितर. आकु तुमको एक्जिक्यूट करिवार अछि. आकु एक्जिक्यूट करिवार अछि माने एटा को प्रथमे फॉर्मेट रे कन्वर्ट करिवार अछि, देन तमरो से एक्जिक्यूट करिवो से तार थर्ड पार्टी रे एक्जिक्यूट. तार एक्सप्लेनेशन देखो. यूजिंग literal. A literal is an explicit numeric character string, date or boolean value that is not represented by the identifier. Character literal include all printable character in the PLSQL character set. Literals, letters, numerical, space, and special symbol. Numerical literal can be represented either by a simple value, for example, minus 32.5, or in scientific notation, for example, 2E5 means 2 into 10 to the power 5. That is the 20,000, 2 lakhs the value, right? Formatting code in a PLSQL block, a statement can span several lines. As soon in the for example of 3 in the slide, you can format an unformatted SQL statement as soon in the example 1 in the slide, right? It also more unformatted. By using the SQL worksheet shortcut menu, right click the active SQL worksheet and in the shortcut menu that appears, select the format option as shown in the example 2. Note that you can also use the shortcut key combination of Control F7 to format your code. Commenting code, prefix single line comment with the 2 hyphens and place block comment between the symbol slash star and end with a star slash. Declare comment line ta hochi mora documentation pai eta executable line mo jo code ta lekhithi tar explanation pai gote mate comment daba pai hele taku symbolic through re mate comment daba kuda extra roibo ta sangre mora symbolic roibo jemi that same as the language jemti ame single line comment dothile au multi line comment dothile actually jemti ame comment jemti 80 se declare kala gote variable declare kala setre mora ta body bitare it dala compute the annual salary based on the monthly salary input from the user. से monthly salary into 12 कला then तारा output टा show कला बुझला एटा होछ मोर multi line comment and एटा होछ मोर single line
comment.
Commenting code, you should comment code to document each phase and to assist debugging. In PLSQL code, a single line comment is commonly prefixed with 2 hyphens. You can also enclose a comment between the symbol slash star and star slash. Note that for multiple comment, you can either precede each comment line with two hyphens or use the block comment format. Comment are strictly informational and do not enforce any conditional or behavior on the logic or data. Well-based comment are extremely valuable for code readability and future code maintenance. Right? Subhasri, good
Yes,
time.
sir.
Sir. मैं 3-4 दिन ऑनलाइन है फर्स्ट मार्च जाए थिला सर ताकू पुणी मासे दिन मासे डाटा को ऑनलाइन आनला से टाइम लागो हां हां मु पता ठीक और 10 मिनट टाइम तो मोटे क्लास रे सारी को मु An SQL function in PLSQL available in procedural statement, single row function, not available in procedural statement, decode and group function. SQL function in PLSQL. SQL provides a several predefined function that can be used in SQL statement. Most of these functions such as single row number and character function, that data type, conversion function, and date and timestamp function are valid in PLSQL expression. The following functions are not available in procedural statement, decode, group function, that is SQL statement use aggregate function, average, minimum, maximum, count, right? Standard deviation, variance, एवढा सब हम जो aggregate function use करते हैं, इटा को एक ही तमरो group function ने कहते हैं. Group function are applied to group for row in a table, are therefore available only in SQL statement in a PLSQL block. The function mentioned here are only a subset of the complete list. SQL function in PLSQL example, get the length of a string, v underscore descending underscore size integer, but variable declare kala, setre integer data type dala. V underscore product underscore description, I would variable declare kala, jota ki varchar declare kala, setre mora value pass karchi. You can use this product with your radius with higher frequency, right? A2 a पर्यंत होची तारा value बुझला अलगा अलगा सेटा गोटे पॉइंट. You can use this product with your radius for higher frequency. एटा होची value जोटा कि मोर product description variable भीतर स्टोर की रहला. Then single line comment,
Yes,
get the length of the string in the product description, v underscore description underscore size length. तो length function मु use करचे एठी आउ ए length function भीतर मु ए variable टा को पास करते हैं. तो ए variable भीतर जो value टा अछि तार length केते, तार सही string रो length केते, सेटा calculate करके कोड स्टोर करिवो, सेटा जो calculate करिवो सेटा कोन आसीबो, numeric value आसीबो, सेटा स्टोर करिवो कोठी मोर variable जोठी मु डिक्लेयर करछि integer type, सेटा मोर स्टोर करबे. एटी से पय देला v underscore description underscore size equal to length function यूज कर ता parameter से value टा पास कर. बुझला? Get the number of month of an employee has worked, v underscore tenure equal to month between current date, then that variable hire date. SQL function in PLSQL example, you can use SQL function to manipulate data. These functions are grouped into the following categories, that is number, character, conversion, date, and miscellaneous. Using sequence in PLSQL expression, declare what a variable declare kala begin se variable bhitere mysql dot next value se dala mane से जो वैल्यू टा जो पास करछि तार नेक्स्ट वैल्यू टा को पिक करबो एंड स्टोर करबो से न्यू आईडी रे स्टोर करबो. एटा होची मोर 11G रे राइट बिफोर 11G आमे एबे ओराकल कोनटा यूज करछे 11G एई
हाँ
पूर्व वर्जन रे आमे जेता यूज करथिले सेटा आमे कोन यूज करथिले आमे पूरा दोथले डिस्क्रिप्शन गोटे वेरिएबल यूज करले देन सिलेक्ट क्वेरी यूज करथिले सिलेक्ट माय अंडरस्कोर सीक्वेंस अंडरस्कोर नेक्स्ट सॉरी डॉट नेक्स्ट वैल्यू इनटू तापर मोर पास करा होता एटा होची मोर प्रीवियस वर्जन एते स्टेप मु गोटे वैल्यू वेरिएबल भीतर वैल्यू पास करया पे हेले मते एते सब धंदा करया पड़तला बट 11G रे सिंपल तुमको सिलेक्ट क्वेरी लिखिबा दरकार नै सेठी डिस्क्रिप्शन देछि assessing sequence value in Oracle database 11G you can use the next value and current value p columns in any PLSQL context where an expression of number data type may legally appear although the old style of using a select statement to query sequence is still valid it is recommended that you do not use it right before Oracle database 11G you were forced to write a SQL statement in order to use a sequence of object value in PLSQL at subroutines typically you would write a select statement to reference the pseudocode columns of next value and current value to obtain a sequence of numbers. This method created a usability problem. Though in Oracle Database 11G, the limitation of forcing you to write a SQL statement to retrieve a sequence value is eliminated with the sequence enhancement features. Sequence usability is improved. The developer has to type less. The resulting code is clear. Data type conversion. Eta me next class. मोर टिके बे दिन गोटे दिन को ऑफिस काम रही जाउची हला काली करियो
यस सर
95 है आउ मु
हाँ
करूची मोर लैपटॉप रे सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल करिया पई मु थरे ट्राई करतली हेई नतला बसले हेई जीवो जति न हबो जति ताले हमें प्रैक्टिकल ओराकल प्रैक्टिकल से सेंटर खुलले ही कर सेंटर खुली जीवो 17 तारिख टू खुली जीवो आउ हम पाखरे किछि ऑर्डर आसीनी जे बंद करिया पई तो 100% सेंटर 17 तारिख टू खुली ठीक अछि
ओ सर मत देह भलो हेतिबे ताहले मु जिबे मते चिकन पॉक्स हे जाइछे
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ, ठीक 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 किछ असुविधा नहीं आराम ठीक अछि ये भलो ले कोन आस जब मु कहूची जे जति मोर माने लैपटॉप रे जति इंस्टॉल हला तो भलो कथा जति न हला ताले हम खुलला पर सेंटर हला
हाँ
ओके
थैंक यू सर